Hello friends, thank you for being here today. I need to make a couple of PCBs, maybe 3 or 4 in a year, just for experiments or for fun, or just to keep busy. And personally, I had bad experiences using the traditional homemade PCBs. Maybe just for me, maybe somebody else do it okay. But just for me, bad experiences. I use a transfer paper, something like this, no? Transfer paper. But the print come out. Sometimes the print come out, very easy, and the printout and the PC boards come with effect. I use also marking pen. Marking pen. It's a lot of work doing the traces there, but also they come with effects. Something like this, Come with effects. And you can see it there. Some with effects. And the other thing, when the print, the PC board is ready to etch, you have to use the chemicals. The chemicals kind of, bad for you. And so I had to do it outside. And if it's summertime, it's kind of hot, or in the winter time, it's too cold to do it outside. One time I had to do a PC board, I need to make a board, and it was a winter time. I had to add hot water, to keep the solution warm, and after about 3 hours or something like that, that is what come out with, it's just a piece of scrap, it's a waste of time, and waste of time and no good for me. So I need to do something else. I was looking on the internet, especially YouTube, for some ideas, and I found a couple of them, I thought that maybe you can use it that etch a sketch principle, but I don't know, it's looking pretty good, maybe we will be okay. But the one that caught my attention, because it's well built and looks solid, was the homemade PCB milling machine, that Mr. Rodrigo Wozniak built, Very nice machine. I like it, And this is my version of his machine, or the PCB milling machine homemade. This is the front of the machine. I attached the router there, and your table, and this will be the handle to do the Y-axis, moving along the side. That's one side of the machine, and you can see here, where your artwork will be located. There's a follower with a stylus, and here you will put your work to be done, and with a 4 screw to tie them up to the plate. This is a sheet of aluminum plate, and this is a board from, I will explain it later on where it comes from, all the parts. Well, I don't need something so sophisticated as Mr. Rodrigo Wozniak machine. Like I said before, I need only for a couple of boards, This won't be a production machine, Don't try to make a production machine, because you wanna make a production in this machine, the machine gonna eat your lunch. So that's just for experiment or something like that. and and it, and I built mine with some scrap metal. It's some parts that I have around the house from other projects. You know. I had to buy anyway some metals. I used it to build the machine, and I bought the metal from what's his name? Online metals, you know, for around $80, something like that, you know. Linear bearings from China, about $20. A router, this router from Harbor Freight, about $20 with a coupon, you know. And I bought the handles, you know, from China for $20, you know. And for the leading screws, I used old threaded rod, you know. Either from Soro, in a company called Soro, and some screws, nuts and bolts from the hardware store. So all this that I spent was about, you know, under $200, but a lot of work. It's a lot of work, but a lot of fun also, you know. I will show you what I did. I'm gonna take it apart the machine, you know, and I'll show you what I did and how I did it.